So you probably just watched my first upcycling video. That skirt like did it all. And there are like two more things that I want to upcycle, and I kind of, well, maybe three. I'm not sure. Not sure what I want to do with the third, or if I really want to make the third thing. I don't know. I'll let y'all decide. Y'all can tell me, okay? So the other item that I want to upcycle is this gray dress. Okay. It is too big for me, but I like the way it feels, and I just like the way it feels. I like the way it falls on my body, but it is visibly too big. It was too big when, I had more weight, but now that I've lost weight, it's even bigger, and I really like it. So I'm thinking of turning this into like maybe like a crop top and a skirt. I got this idea from Pinterest that I really liked, and when I saw it, I immediately thought about this dress and knew that this is something I could probably turn into that. So that's what I'm going to do with this dress. Then, let's see. I'm sorry, guys. My contacts or something's bothering me. Now I can't even find the other thing. Okay, so the other item that I want to upcycle is this maxi skirt that I made with this Ankara print. And you may say why. This fabric is really stiff, and I think I washed it before I used it. It's a good chance I didn't, and if I didn't, that's on me. But this fabric is just gorgeous, and I'm either going to turn it into a circle skirt or a pencil skirt with a zipper in the back. Right now it has elastic in the waistband, but yeah, I also made a top to go with this, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that part. It's just like a little crop tube top thingy. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I'm definitely going to turn this skirt into a circle skirt or a pencil skirt. I doubt that I will have enough fabric to make my husband a shirt with, but I'm definitely going to make him a bow tie to match. We like doing that. And then the third item that I am not sure about and I need your help deciding, let me get it for you. Okay, I'm back. So y'all can let me know what y'all think. If I should or should not upcycle this and what I should or should not do with it. Leave your comments and suggestions below. So it is this dress here. It's Simplicity S8915, I believe. Now, don't get me wrong. There is nothing that I don't like about this dress. It is gorgeous. It is sexy. And I love the way that the fabric feels. But what I did realize after I made it is that it is more like activewear fabric, like for maybe a swimsuit or yoga pants or something like that. And there's nothing wrong with that. Don't get me wrong. My problem is I don't really know where I will ever get to wear this dress. I mean, I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty. I love it. I love the back details and everything. I like the way it feels on my body. It's really pretty. It does have a tail at the end, so it drags the floor. And that's when I really realized that it was like more activewear, swimwear fabric, because I took pictures outside in the street and I looked at the tail of it, and all the, black marks and dirt from the ground were on the dress. And I was really feeling it and everything. And I'm like, this is swim fabric. And I don't know why it didn't occur to me, like when I was sewing it up, it just didn't. And it was easy to work with. I didn't have any problems or anything like that. One thing that I do need to adjust if I decide to keep it and wear it as a dress, I need to fit the bust part a little better. Maybe throw some darts in there because it is a little big and it could fit me just a little bit better. So I'm torn on this make. This is the front and this is the back, which does kind of have like a shelf bra in it, you know, to help. But, you know, I don't think those things are very helpful for me. I prefer to have a bra on, some kind of good support. But it is what it is. Like I said, I do like the dress. I love it. And especially this ruching detail that's on it in the back. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's just very, very gorgeous. Now, the other thing that I thought about doing was, if I keep it as a dress, I may cut the tail part off and just keep everything down to this seam here where the ruching is. I don't know. I need you guys' help on deciding. So let me know down in the comments, okay? I am excited to get to upcycling these other garments. Make sure you drop your comments and suggestions in the comments below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It's free of charge. It costs you nothing. Share this video with a friend and make sure you tune in so that you don't miss the next video. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.